Welcome, in front of me is a OPPO Find N2 Flip, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications straight from the top, then extend the toggles by swiping on them down. And one of the toggles should be the Do Not Disturb mode. So let's see if I can quickly find mine. There we go, it's right over here. So once you see this toggle, if you're doing this the first time around, which you probably are if you're watching this, you want to hold this toggle and select More, and this will quickly take you to the settings, where you can just, number one, check out how it's set by default, and number two, if something doesn't fit your needs, you can change it. Now, going into a couple of the more important options, we have Schedule. Obviously, this allows you to set it up so it automatically turns on and off based on the day of the week and start and end time. Now, one more thing, if you're planning to use a schedule, just make sure that you toggle it on in here, and that's all you need to do. Obviously, you can create new ones. You don't have to use the one that is made right here. Now, going back here, we also have People. This will allow you to select who can call you and message you, and we have three options: None, Favorite, and Contacts. And that's really all the options that I would consider important. Obviously, if you find something else intriguing to you that you want to change, go right ahead and do so. Now, once you have set it all up and you want to use your Do Not Disturb mode, find the toggle, tap on it, and there we go. It is now enabled. Unfortunately, on this device, we don't have any way of selecting a timer when we tap on it manually. Some other devices do have this kind of option where you can select what happens when you press on the button, which is a really nice thing to have, but here you will need to actually remember that the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled, and once you're done with it, you'll need to turn it off yourself by tapping on the toggle once again. Now, with this being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.